So it's winter time, meaning your skin's probably just as dry and broke up as ours. And some of our 2020 visions were clearing our skin, meaning today we are making face masks. So we're just gonna, it's a 3-ingredient face mask, and we're just gonna show you how we gonna do it. So first we have yogurt. It helps with moisturizing, and also it tastes delicious. Next we have honey. It has antioxidants, you know, makes you not look like an old lady. And we have turmeric, which helps prevent breakouts and acne scars. And let's start. And yeah, start.
Oh, what are you gonna say on?
So how you do this is you have 1 part yogurt and 1 part honey into your cup. And then you mix. And then you add 1 small part of the turmeric. Simple.
This is not gonna smell right on my face. Rinsing off our face, and now it's review time.
She's gonna go first.
My face is soft, like a baby's bottom soft, but I wouldn't do it again because it's kind of stinky. But it did leave, you know, some nice effects to my face.
I liked it. It was a fun experience. I'm just not really big on face masks, and the fact that it had a odor to it kind of deterred me from wanting to do it again. But it was fun complaining about it.